this can make all the difference. Mission's updated. Review them when you can. Got a new mission for you. Details on your map. Jumping onto your position. Heads up. New mission incoming. Check your briefing. Check your missions. Got a new mission on the way. Review your briefing. Closing in. You'll be compromised if you don't move it. New mission is up. Marked on your map. Yeah, you got it. On the way. Check your missions. Stay alert. You don't want to get trapped by the Inferno. next time. Just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can.
Need eyes on my lobster.
I read you. Here it comes.
That area looks bad to me.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map. Got a new mission for you. Details on your map. You've got new mission
Harry,
details
send
incoming.
it.
Stand by and be ready. Roger that. Stand by. Got a new mission ready. Keep your distance from those flames. Safety zone's marked. Mission available.
Request immediate support here.
Supply drop on the way. Battlefield is still crawling with hostiles. Stay alert.
Reference grid, need immediate fire support.
Roger, on the way. Square yourself away. You're headed back in. Check your missions.
Custom weapon box marked.
La, ran, dan, da, da. La la la la la la la la la la la.
Counting on you. You are clear to jump. Know at your discretion.
What a stupid place. What up, Spite? Why I don't play Apex? Well, when did you see me playing Apex? This game is fun. Your Apex fun? Oh, there's someone here. Let's kill this kid first. Ouch. Chasing me. Man, you are so ugly. I don't hear any footsteps, man. This guy is just crouching, I guess. You see? There's no
FYI,
sound.
Missions are up.
I swear this guy is... You're not fan of Apex? That's very curious. I don't know why you said why no Apex. I play
Stand by
Apex.
to jump off. You're headed back in.
I played Apex like for 6,000 hours or something. I really love Apex, but I found this game interesting because it's realistic and harder to win every game. So I'm just testing out.
Good grab on that intel.
I'm
King.
stuck. And you are from region Hakkari. Do you think Hakkari people play more Apex?
For you. Details on your map.
Oh, there's someone here. Are you running?
Heads up. New mission incoming. Check your briefing.
Goodbye. Do you know Hakkari? Footsteps? Goodbye.
Heads up.
One more footsteps.
Details.
Keep coming, man. Stop it. What about you, Spite? Where do you live?
Got new mission details incoming.
And
Stand
what
by,
games
be
do you
ready.
play normally? SMG. I love this weapon, man. The perfect weapon. SMG. Go with this one. Bazooka 2, everything. Okay. I love this weapon, but I need to find the upgrades. There is none of this. Ah, he's coming back.
Hostile dropping near your location.
I'm here.
Stay put if you don't mind toxic fallout. Otherwise, get a move on.
What is that?
There's a mission for you. Details on your map.
What was he doing? He was right here camping. Crazy. Let's see if we can find campers moving with the zone. What games do you play, guys, normally? Oh,
Contact. Hostile troops sighted.
goodbye.
Check your missions.
A ty Kurdi, bra. Ja bądź negos.
No restrictions. Cleared
Your
hot
grid's about
spot
to
me
be
now.
compromised by NXC.
Test ras her sabahati. نزانی نزان تو کلی برا از Kurdish stream دکم انگلیزی جی و اسپانیولی جی نه بس انگلیزی کامپرو بمرلو هیچم باجر کردستانی جباشور یا باکور خاطرته بخاطرته بخاطرته او او او او او Yes, sir. I speak 4 languages. I speak 4 languages. Kurdi, İngilizce, Türkçe و İspanyoli. Ere bra. Oh, oh.
Request overwatch. Grid is indicated.
Roger. On the way.
Oh. Where is he?
That blaze is closing in. You don't have long to get clear.
What the heck? He's camping. Wow, what a level.
Check your mission.
There is one more right here.
Feels dangerous here. Use caution.
Do you play any other games? What the fuck? And what is happening? Oh my goodness, there's someone here. What's going on?
Got enemy in sight.
What is that? He's AFK?
Alright, new mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Alright. We're going for world record. One second. Which city you're from, bro? Zaho, Havler, Bakur, Bashur. PlayStation 5, nice. And what games you willing to play? Battle Royale? I mean, this kind of games or story games?
Hostile machine gun.
Does he know I'm here?
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Oh my god, why am I getting third partied all the time? Please guys, don't forget to like the stream. Yes, I know, Uncharted.
We've got a new mission on the way.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, man. 10 teams are shooting at me at the same time.
Request immediate attack.
Missiles outbound. Paint the target until all three drop.
Hit them once. One more. Hi.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Goodbye. They come non-stop. Ah, Elazığ. Okay. That's interesting. So you speak Turkish as well. And how do you know I'm here, bro? How do you know me? This is the first time. This is the first time I'm streaming in this channel. That's curious, really. I'm just doing a test stream, you know? I'm just doing a test stream. Sorry, I didn't read you.
Check your missions.
I don't remember you said that you're from Elazığ. This sniper is somewhere here. Right
Got
here.
enemy in sight.
Get this
Move to
best.
that location. Contact! Enemy infantry!
Stay alert. You don't want to get trapped by the inferno.
Ah, he died? No. Oh my goodness, it's not good.
Missions are done, but stay alert till we're out of here.
Oh my god. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this. I think we killed so many people, huh? We have killed
It's over.
15 people.
Regroup to the next
Nice.
stop.
Right, senle ben ne zaman daha önce konuştuk? Ben olduğunu nasıl haberdar oldun? Ah, yeah, I know you speak three languages and you also have kids. Yeah, you know me, man. But I remember when we last spoke. Ay, ay, ay. I thought you are someone who just came to my stream. But I never streamed this channel, I guess. I'm just doing a test stream here. That's why I'm surprised. How you know it's me. If you check, you're probably not subscribed to my channel. That's why it's interesting how it is possible you to see my stream. Maybe this is because my alt account under my main channel, it automatically appears on your feed. I don't know. Under my main channel, I don't know how it works. Because this is not my main channel, you know? This is my second channel, and I'm just doing test stream to see how it performs. That's why I'm surprised. How's it going, brother? Sidiki Chinaki. Le le le le le le le le le le le le. It's so hot.
Alright, it's go time. Gather intel and stay alert as new missions come in. I'm counting on you.
The Turkish زين Turkey. Turkey زاني بس كردي بس بدمن. باشه برم. تناهیه. جیانه. هرتش باشه. گیمینگی خوشه.
That's a good grab on that intel case.
I don't like this weapon. إنها الكردستاني يان ديري مالي يان ولا تكدي.
New missions just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can.
Evet şey kuru. I speak campers here. Yes. There are campers here. Bakın. Adam gele khirbiya velat kiriye.
That blaze is closing in. You don't have long to get clear.
I saw you. And this guy's I just can't heal.
Check your mission.
Run. Run. Goodbye. خدای من گره خیر بیا ولات کریه و چند ساله من جاوی ولات ندیدیه خدای Vive.
Mission available.
Yeah, una cosa. I knew it. Will you play any story game? Let me know what games you like. What games do you like?
Heads up. We got a new mission incoming. Check your briefing.
Don't we have a loadout? Where's the loadouts? If you have any favorite story games, let me know. I may have the game that you like.
All right, new mission is up.
If so,
Marked on your
I can
map.
play. Ah, wait, the other guy who killed me used to be close to me. Mafia. It's a good game. I normally don't play story games. I feel sleepy after that. But if there's any good games, oh. Man, what a terrible weapon is that? Oh my god. Oh, I thought it was burst weapon, and if you remain press the button,
Your
it would
side's been wiped out.
it would
Next time, step it up.
keep firing, but no, it wasn't. Unlucky. Well, I have some story games. I think they are nice, but it's in my second account. Like this one's what's it called? I think I have so many. I have God of War. I have Horizon Zero Dawn. I have scary story game. But I normally don't play story games, even though they are fine. But I get bored immediately. I like this kind of games. You go, you win, you die, and come back and start again. You know, it's much more fun for me. And if I play story games, I like playing games where you can play with your friends. Share the same experience together. It's really amazing experience. If it's solo, it maybe entertains me one day, and the second day I say, nah, I don't want to play anymore. So Apex Legends or Battlefield, one better. Please, guys, don't forget to like the stream. Pass. Does this game looks good? Fun or boring? What do you think? Gele gelme ya. Gele gelme.
Any of them get out of there alive. I'll send updates as needed.
Let's see if we can kill multiple people this time, like the previous
Green lit
match.
to jump. Let's get dirty.
Assalamu alaikum. You check even. I see one guy there, one guy on the right, one more guy there.
Enemy landing near you. Make them pay.
Kill this guy. Or die.
Your mission should be available, so get a move on. Counting on you.
Man, are you crazy? Why don't you move? I'm throwing you grenades. Bro was very, very brave.
Hostile dropping near your location.
Probably this guy is the same guy. He wants to get his revenge.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Need eyes on my lockstar.
Probably hiding.
On the way.
He's gone.
Contact! Sniper!
Heads up. You got a new mission incoming. Check your briefing.
Where did he go?
All right. Your mission
Oh
is
my
up.
God.
It's marked on your map.
Camper. I'm dying. I'm dying right now. What the heck? I'm really confused.
Solid find on that intel. more. Got my eyes on
I'm
enemy
sorry, man.
movement, sending the
I'm
info
sorry,
your
that
way.
sucks. I'm sorry. I know that sucks.
Keep your distance from those flames. Safety zone's marked.
I know that
Good
sucks.
grab on that intel case.
Oh wait. There's someone here.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Gotcha, Chuck Norris.
New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
It's a camper. Yeah, there are so many campers, man. I swear to God. I swear to God,
Details incoming.
there
Stand
are
by
so
and
many,
be ready.
so many campers.
Area marked. Need smoke
What
now.
the?
Roger that. Stand by.
What was that? Oh, I'm lagging. What's going on?
Reposition. Move now.
Oh!
Check your missions.
One more team.
A hostile jumping onto your position.
What's going on?
Ordnance inbound. Get clear.
Oh, airstrike.
Incoming strike in your vicinity. Move.
Ooh. That was crazy.
Get to that RP point. Move.
Where you running, man? Come here. I got it. I got it. Wow, nice shots, man. But don't worry. I'll come back.
Battlefield is still crawling with hostiles. Stay alert.
Uh-huh.
All right, square yourself away. You're headed back in.
Round over to that location.
I'm telling you, I'm going to die to a camper now. I knew it. I knew campers are always here. Always. It never changes, man. Always someone sits there all the time and kills those who come for the loadout. Okay, bırakam. Sersera seçava. Eta gavadi.
jump. Time to get dirty.
La la la la la la la la la la la. Go go go go go.
That's a major score. Way to go. Mission's updated. Review them when you can.
Need support at marked location.
Stand by. One incoming. You've got a new mission on the way. Review your briefing. New mission available.
Need eyes on my lobster.
Sara, mamatesi yamando Sara.
Stand by.
Mamatesi yamando. İyi mi mama?
You've got new mission details.
Tıklı ya bak kedisi.
Stand by and be ready.
Enemy machine gun. Bound over to that location.
I'm coming for you, buddy.
Let's rally on that RV point. Move.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map. Heat is coming in fast. Watch your sector.
Eat that, pussy.
Check your missions.
What a pussy.
New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Holy shit.
You need immediate smoke cover.
Roger that. Stand by.
Request immediate support here.
Lots of shooters out there. Stay on target. Roger. On the way. Check your missions.
I hate shotguns, man. I swear. Doesn't matter if I hit or not. It always misses. Always.
There's a Vic over here.
There's a back over.
New mission available.
What the heck was that? That was crazy, man. That was crazy.
See your custom weapon crate here.
That was crazy moment.
Got a new mission ready.
Get over to that waypoint.
I don't get it, man. How do they see me?
Let's rally on that RV point. Move.
Bitch.
Hostile dropping near your location. Those classified materials could be a game changer. Nice work.
MG ammo marked.
Okay, we're going. Let's take this guy's loot.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Make your way to that point.
Oh, nice. Idiot. You also died. For being stupid, you also died.
Out. Better luck next time.
What an idiot. The bad. You don't have to put all the red line. Those that you don't have to.
Two unknown shooters moving on the target area. Make sure you drop them all. Get ready to jump.
Say I'm buried to the night. Roxanne, you don't have to put all the red line. Those days are over. You don't have to say I'm buried to the night. Roxanne, you don't have to put all the red line. La dun dun da da. Roxanne, you don't have to put all the red line. Those days are over.
Mission updates just came in.
This is very quiet. Suspicious. As usual, they just campy, man. I think there are people here, but I don't see them.
For new mission details.
You almost killed me, buddy.
Position marked. Scale fire. Go on.
Roger that. Fast mover inbound. Stand by.
Why are you not moving, man? Hit third. It would survive.
That's a good grab on that intel case.
Contact. Enemy helicopter.
New mission is up. Marked on your map. That zone's heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long. Hostiles are picking up your signal. Take out sensors to keep them off your trail.
Goodbye, Joker. Nice to see you, buddy.
Good job. Now start tracking the next one. Good work. Cleared the objective and dumped the target on it. That's a major score. Way to go.
Go, go, go, go. Let's get the shotgun as well. Hopefully this is gonna work.
All right, new mission is up. It's marked on your map. Got a new mission for you. Details on your map. Be ready. No second chances after this.
Rally on that location.
I was already gone. I wasn't even there, man.
It's over. Regroup for the next stop.
Okay, we need to change our loadout. We need to change our loadout. La la la la la la la la la. Let's go. I don't know, man. Let's go with this weapon, okay? We will make this weapon fully the what's called hip fire. And we know we don't need optic. Hip fire. Dang. is crazy. Hello Bırakam, hoş geldin. Kerati. Teşekkür. Okay, now we need the long range. Should we go sniper? There was a DMR. This one hip fires and this one is different than the other ones. We don't need this. That's okay. This is okay. This is good. Okay, I'm gonna play with DMR. But maybe we can switch this optic. Thermal. I don't know if I would like this. Yeah, favorite this weapon. We will try this one and the SMG. Let's see if it's going to work. Kıyafeti bırakalım. Teşekkür. Seni veşkir. Ez bu kadar nüveşa nakem. Ay ay ay. Baby, oh, like baby, baby, baby. Someone called me, that's the reason. Okay, bro. So, you finished your school? What's your next plan? Jiyan çavadiçe le Elazığ. Harekef başı. Familyata başı. Someone like you, I wish nothing for the best. Boteji, deşmin birgir, deşmin, jbirnakestena, jbirnakem, le le le. Yalla yalla yalla habibi. Demişsin. This is going to be hard. Everyone is coming here, right?
Ordnance inbound. Get clear.
Goodbye. This guy was so sneaky, huh? SMG? Okay. Okay, now we're ready. Yallah.
You have a hostile jumping onto your position.
Where? No one has been here. Nabarajan. I don't have a teammate.
Check your map for new mission details.
Oh my god. Oh, fucking camper, man. Huh? İyi, podemos ir. Podemos ir. Someone like you, I wish nothing for the best. For you too, don't forget me on there. I remember you said, sometimes it lasts, sometimes it hurts instead.
Alright, new mission is up. Marked on your map.
Could you please die? Your leg is still moving. Mother poker. Yes, now we have our weapon. Now you'll see.
Marking location for support.
Roger, on the way.
Idiot. Nah, but I'm znaczym.
New mission available.
I don't go to mosque. When I was kid, yes, but when you get older, this kind of things doesn't make sense anymore.
Zone's heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long.
Not for me. Let's do a mission. Never mind, I'll find
Down and calibrate those
someone like you. I wish nothing for the best for you.
Hey, watch your speed. That beacon needs to calibrate, so move slow with it.
Religion eat our mind, especially Kurdish people. They lost so much because of religion. Yes, we lost too much with for the religion. Don't kill me, please, guys. I have a mission.
Kick it up a notch. You've got a lot of targets out there. That beacon yielded serious gains. Way to deliver.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay. I think we're good at the moment. I hope I won't get regret using shotgun. Ah, le, le, le, le, le, le. Le, le, le, le, le, le, le, le, le, le, le. Have you finished your school? Yes, bro, me too. I mean, when I was kid, I was how do you say? How do you say?
Materials could be a game changer.
I was practicing religion when I was kid. My mother is very religious, and I was reading book, Quran, and some other books to learn how to practice religion. But I'm strongly against religion when it's about teaching them to the kids, you know. It's like assimilation of kids. I don't like it. That's why I don't obligate my kid to learn religion at the moment. Oh, I'm getting sniped. Oh my goodness. Nah.
Stay alert.
Ne باشه.
Trapped by the inferno.
امنی کارن میجی پیچیکا
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
قولی یویدی بکن religion بکن نه خدا گناه Oh, someone died. Mother Pooker. I'm not sure where he is.
Ordnance inbound. Get clear.
Brandon. You killed so many people with this weapon. Let's try sniper, man. Maybe I will like it. Let's see. Not bad. Ready. No, we don't need the religion. We don't need the religion.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Found location.
Let's get the high ground. How do you find this game, guys? Apex Legends or Battlefield? Which one looks better? Oh, you left it? Oh my god, camper. Camper. Good job, man. You left the university?
Been wiped out. Next time, step it up.
Why? And what are you planning to do now? What's your plan for the future? I remember one person from Elazığ. I think it was you. It was a long time ago when we last spoke. Like maybe 1 year and a half. Could be.
Vamos para birlikte. Papi.
Sí, sí. Sara. Vamos.
Nada. ¿Dónde estaba por los
Sí.
hiciste? Ay,
Sí, sí.
bueno,
Eriko de bra.
vamos, venga.
حتی که ولات آزاد نبه نه ریلیجن نه زمانندی نه خلکندی با ما پیویست نینه وقتی که ام آزادن ام دکارن چه ببن بخوازن زانی we can be whatever we want once we are free but while we're not free whatever you become has zero meaning because that's not part of your existence.
Drop zone coming up. On the ground, take out everyone in the target area. All monitors needed, so be ready.
اگر ولاد آزاد ببه ام دکارن ببین چه خوازن ام بخوازن ام دکارن ببین religion professor anything then you will be truly you and then your subjects I don't know how to explain now whatever you be you are first Arab or Turk then profession. That's why I stopped following religions. I don't care. Ere khudai. أخلي بلاد أخلي بلاد to أبدي الناس ذكي ناوي شو بياو ناوي شو علي تشابان كرو شو باش داخل وياو
Missions updated.
It's crazy. Ali Cheven.
That is a good find on those
But they-
classified materials. Way to step it up.
Ik elkaar een stukje beetje. En de barsdagen we.
Enemy landing near you. Make them pay.
There's someone here. But where did he go?
Check your missions.
Right here. Right here. Oh, yeah.
Request FMV over my position.
Yeah, you got it. On the way.
Get over to that waypoint.
He's very close. Poor guy. He was very, very lagging. He was very lagging, man.
All right, new mission is up. It's marked on your map. Enemy landing near you. Make them pay.
Corre.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
One more.
Keep your
They had a low.
those flames. Safety zones marked.
No. He died.
You've got a new mission ready.
But he was getting shot.
Heads up. New mission incoming. Check your briefing.
Ravis. This is my loot, Lavis. Shame on you, Lavis. Coming to steal my kill, Lavis.
Request immediate support here.
Whenever you.
Drop is on the way.
Am I right? Am I right?
Lots of shooters out there. Stay on target. Check your missions.
Uh-huh. Very close. You got that Kurdi. Radimic, Radimic.
Check your missions.
No, I see nobody here. Airdrop. Brother Chansali, how old are you? We are right there.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
When 3. But mashallah, you are still so young, man. I am 13 years older than you. You are still so young. So many things to leave yet, still. Let me eat my yogurt, brother. Cât spate stă în casă?
Alright, new mission is up. It's marked on your map. You're out of second chances. Light them up and stay in the fight.
Camper. Bumra, yo.
Check your missions.
Request fire mission. Over.
Roger. On the way.
Let's try this guy's weapon.
Position marked. Send it.
Yeah, you got it. On the way. Stay alert. You don't want to get trapped by the inferno.
Oh my god, why this guy doesn't kill me? Oh, this is so annoying, man. He was next to me, sitting all the time.
Your side's been wiped out. We'll get it next time.
If you become a puppet of Turkey, you will lose those young times. I know that. If you become a puppet of Turkey, you will lose. But what can we do? We don't have the power in our hands. But I think we are living the best moments. Kurds are free, almost free. Just a little bit more. All we need to do is help the kids to learn the Kurdish language. Otherwise, that's gonna be the next problem of us. The language. Hadi bro. But I believe if the Kurds fight for their rights, Turkey has no chance. You know what I think? I think after the Iran war finishes, Turkey will occupy all the Kurds zones and then will recognize as all Kurdistan is as a province, like federation. I think Turkey is bigger than the other countries. First, Turkey will say we are occupying all the Kurdistan and it's going to be our lands, and Turks will say yes. And after this, after they take gas off Turks, they will say, okay, now we have to make peace, and then Kurds will be free. That's what I see. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe not the other day, but in the future it's going to be this way, I guess. Zalim. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hello. Herelo, herelelo.
You have unknown shooters moving on the target area. Make sure you drop them all. Get ready to jump.
İnşallah bro, inşallah. It goes like this, the fourth, the fifth, the minor fallen has a lift. Be the fucking compose you, hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Good grab on that intel case.
Oh, bitch. Hope you die.
All right, you're good to go.
That was my bad, man. I didn't see him.
You've got some mission updates. Review them when you can.
I really like this map, this part of the map.
Solid find on that intel. Keep digging for more.
Area marked. Need support ASAP.
I opened this box before, no?
New mission available. Check your mission.
Bimre ya. Serime geçki bra.
Reposition. Move now.
Check your mission.
All countries run their independence in that way. We don't need to admit Turkish population in the region, but strong like to Turkish people. And that's what our aim is, but we don't know how the things are going to
I need all the
evolve,
intel
you know?
can get on the hostiles. Secure
We don't know what's going to happen. We don't know if they are serious, if they are cholinas. We don't know.
enemy is gunning for you. Watch yourself.
We don't know. We don't know what to expect from them. That's the problem.
Watch your speed.
Emzan ka hevalin, yan düşmenin, yan Çin emnizanin. We don't know what to expect from them. Valla. Had bejin aşti, uca emnizan ka rasta,
Jumping into your area.
dreve, çi emnizan.
That heat's coming in fast. You've got the intel. Use it.
اري خذ برا هم زمان چیه
Out there. Stay on target.
اما ام نکردن تشک بیجن
You are mission complete. Keep punching hard out there.
ها
Good job. You shook the heat.
You were pushing to die, buddy. Ooh, yeah, bet you kuro. Kuro bet you. 54 bullets with 42, 54. Let's go with this one. I don't know if I will like this weapon or I will hate. As Nizan. خودی آلی کاری ما بکه برا. I think there's someone here. Bruh, how do you find this game? Huh? Hot. He will never understand I'm here. He will never know. Next one. Come. He doesn't know. He doesn't know.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map. Sending intel on enemy position your way. You know what to do.
Yo, tsugunahem, yo. Man. It's a great game to play and the action is cool like Battlefield 4. Oh, you know the Battlefield games. Okay. I thought you were like you're watching but you have no idea about FPS games.
Got a new mission ready.
Did he die? Idiot, you were focused on me and you got third-partied. Brilliant.
Request immediate support here.
Copy. Stand by.
Oh, you fucking campers, man. All the time, the same, all the time.
You're out. Better luck next time.
Aile mala mene mala mene mala mene mene ne le le le le le le le le le le le le le le le. Kuruşe. Tehet kame ver. Ben ölmeden önce bir sürü aşkım vardı. I will like this weapon or I will hate. As nizan. خودی آلی کاری ما بکه برا. I think there's someone here. I think there's someone here. Bruh, how do you find this game? Huh? Hot. He will never understand I'm here. He will never know.
Alright, drop zone's coming up. On the ground, take out everyone in the target area. All monitor is needed, so be ready for updates.
Next one. All right.
You are clear to jump.
You watched the past moments. Yes. I'm going to make a clip and upload to my channel, my main channel. It was a really good moment. The guy had no idea. Oh! Man, that was so stupid. I don't know why my parachute didn't open. Ben ölmeden önce bir sürü aşkım vardı. Her şeye rağmen pişman değilim. Oh.
Mission's updated. Review it when you can.
Man, I don't understand. Who kills me? I don't see anyone. What's going on?
You're out. Better luck next time.
I see no one, but they see me, man. I don't understand this game. Ah. Ben ölmeden önce bir sürü aşkım vardı. Her şeye rağmen pişman değilim. Her şeye rağmen pişman değilim. Ama yine de I think there's someone here. Bruh, how do you find this game? Huh? Hot. He will never understand I'm here. He will never know. Next one. Come. doesn't know. He doesn't know.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map. Sending intel on enemy position your way. You know what to do.
Man, that was so sick. I swear to God, that was so sick. Poor guy had no idea what's going on. He was just trying to loot. Do you play GTA 5 bro? والله از ندانم يعني من جانم ليست اما نزانم. خوشه كده خوشه. Yes, I played sometimes. It's cool, I guess. But I never played that game fully. Like, to be honest, I didn't understand very well that game. There are so many things to do. Like, you can do anything you want. And what I did is just select random missions and go try to complete them, you know? This kind of stuff. And it's fine. And I played a bit story mode as well. That's it. Oh, and one day we played roleplay. My friend and me, we were Kurdish. We went to a Turkish server, and we were acting like drunk people, and police came to take us to the hapishane, and we were trolling them. We said we are Kurds, and then they kicked us. مسئله و باش ایشان خودی. We gave them so much problem, then they kicked us. Yes, and I never played anymore. But I don't know if my microphone sounds too deep, too low, too high. I don't know really. If you don't hear me well, or if it's too loud or anything that I can improve, let me know, okay? Maybe the volume is higher or too high, too low. Yes, it was a server. Like everybody had their role. Like doctors are doctors, and patients are patients. You can drink alcohol and then your character vision goes blurry, etc. And you know, you can activate your microphone and speak like silly way, saying, "Hey, police, stop this, man! We are always facing with this problem in your country. We are Kurds, etc." Werin direjin mabote qetnaye biri var
Down there a threat. Stay alert for updates.
inan bana aramızdaki yerleri
You're good to go for deployment.
düşsem yıkarım şu an, ama baştan başlayamam. Unutma aramızdaki duvarları, yıksam yıkarım her an, ama baştan
Nice work. That is a major score. Way to go.
başlayamam. Unutma aramızda. Okay, bırakalım. When I was checking my video, that funny moment, I found my microphone very Oh my god, I will kill myself again.
FYI, missions are up.
We are ready. Man, this is crazy, I swear. 3 guys landed here and nobody's showing themselves, like they are hiding. Goodbye.
New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Unutma aramızdaki duvarları, yıksam yıkarım şu an. Dur bakayım. Palto yamın. Look at my palto.
Area marked. Send it.
Area mark.
You got it. On the way.
Uh-huh.
Look suspicious. Watch yourself.
I just saw someone drop the support care sport box.
That is a major score. Way to go.
I think he gotta be. Yes, I saw him.
Sniper.
Oh, he dropped down.
Check your mission.
Where have you gone? Mother poker. Idiot.
Mission for you. Details on your map. That heat's coming in fast. You've got the intel. Use it. Lots of shooters out there. Stay on target.
Too easy, too easy.
You've got a new mission on the way. Review your briefing.
Uh-huh.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your
Request
map.
immediate attack.
Understood. Triple firestorm is en route.
Take that, bitch. Uh-huh. We could kill him, but he has to stand still. Oh! Sayı kuru sayı.
You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
Come in, come in! Lupus!
You got a new mission ready.
Nice try, man. Can I ask which is the main language you speak in your life? And this is, bruh, I normally speak Spanish. I speak with Kurdish people Kurdish, with Turkish people Turkish. I can't deny.
Be ready.
I speak English at work, Spanish as well, and Turkish with Turkish friends, of course. But we have Kurds as well in other cities, and I speak with them in Kurdi. Even my Kurdi is not that good.
Marked on your map.
AT spotted!
Roberto, I'm sorry, man. I had to do this, otherwise you would kill me. Kur'an, gele krabım ya. I'm trying to communicate with you in Kurdi as well, but I think or you don't hear me well, or you don't understand my Kurdi. You don't answer. Where the fuck are you, man? I'm confused. I'm really confused, man.
That's it. No more second chances. Get after it. Check your mission.
Nice try, buddy. It was very, very good, man, with the movements, etc. Do you understand my Kurdi or you don't?
Spotted custom weapon crate!
Nah, we cannot go there. Oh. Is this a good spot?
Make your way to that point.
Uh-huh.
Got eyes on a sniper.
Bro, that's what I mean. That's part of your life. I mean, it all depends on what I mean, it's not bad. Languages are not bad. And if you learn, it's good for you.
Contact. Hostile troops sighted.
Where's that guy? What the fuck, man? They are in the end of the map.
That's it for missions.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my. Mokhaben. Like 3 guys in the end of the map. Who would know?
Sometimes your best isn't enough. It's just how it goes.
Em digarin Kurdish bakın brat. Ne akıvi? Ez Kurdi de akıvim bes tu İngilizce bersavamı dey. Ne başa bra ne başa. Valla ez xwazim bizan ka tu Kurdi zanî yan ne. Xwazî diaspora Kurda heba İspanya û me qesa kiriba bi Kurdî û jiyana me pitirî Kurdî ba. Bes kesê dîne ez tenê me. Ez tenê me tenê me ez tenê me tenê me. Kurdên dîn bajarên dî jiyan dikin. Like wek Santiago, Barcelona, Madrid û Orense. Ez bixwe Vigoyê me. Ah lêlê û ez nizanim werê. Ez dûr ketim ez nizanim werê. Ah lêlê û ez nikarim werim. When I go outside at 8 or 9 p.m. I see many Turkish women walk with their childs because Elazığ is usually Turk. So at your home you speak Kurdi or Turkey? Ah le le le le vah le le le le. Okay, nice. Xude bire zor e. Heta niha dayîk û babê me Kurdî zanîn û wêca em jî fêrî Kurdî bûn. Wêca em niha mezin bûn. Em Kurdî nizanin û zarokên me dê çawa Kurdî zanin. Problem ever, bruh. This is the last generation. If we teach our children Kurdi, they will learn. Otherwise, they will be next to be assimilated.
We're closing in on the drop zone. Now we need to find out what's going on, so keep comms open. You're cleared hot, so engage anything that moves. Go for deployment. Give them hell.
That was so embarrassing. 3 guys here, 4 guys. Oh my god.
Cock and lock. You're heading back in. Missions just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can. That is a good find on those classified materials. Way to step it up.
Where the fuck my bullets go, man? I shot twice with a shotgun in the face.
Your side's been wiped out. Don't get hung up on it.
I hate shotguns in every games. Ahli gülle sevramen naye. My family is not at home at the moment, so I feel free to sing, man. Living solo is the best. Ahli le le le ahli. You love M416? I don't know if I have it. I will play one game for you, okay? Do you know this person? You probably know this person, but in case you don't know, do you know this person? Yes, I will try to find. I think I don't have it in my loadout, but I will find it on the ground and I will play. Do you know Ali Cheven? Mente follow ke bra. I know him, but he has mistakes. For example, like being against PKK, or I really love watching him speak directly with no backwards to the face of Turkish racists.
Intel, take out hostiles and complete all missions thrown at you. Don't drag your ass. Stand by to jump. You are good to go to deploy. Call it.
Man, what is this aim, man? Like, what is this? What is his aim? He turns and boom, boom, I die.
All right, square yourself away. You're headed back in.
ما ما خلق الساي كروساي. بتشبو. No problem, no problem. We got this.
New missions just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can.
Hey you! Look at this big building, man. Nobody came here, but it's really bad place. All I found was trash. So bad loot. I can say he knows the speaking Turkish language doesn't let him to live in freedom, but he speaks and he brings it. Yes, but I think it's normal, bro. It's normal because he was Hafiz. But I think
Got a new mission
if you
for
compare
Details on your map.
if you compare other religious Kurds, they stuck with their religion, and they don't speak. They never mention Kurdish question, never. But at least Ali defends Kurdish question. Goodbye, bitch. I knew there was someone here.
Stay alert. You don't want to get trapped by the
FNZ
inferno.
over my position.
UAV is inbound. Hang tight.
He saved my life. Ouch! Oh! Take that, bitch! We gotta be fast. Ay lele وزن زانم روی.
Can you get support over here?
Hey, Fern.
Oh, grenade! You missed, bitch. I don't have any bullets, any shield cells.
Stay put if you don't mind toxic fallout. Otherwise, get a move on.
I don't think he's following me. Okay, he's getting shot. Someone else saved my life again. He's falling, brother, but he's... Wallah.
Available.
نه برا یا خدا گله باش داخل و the racist people remain speechless against his arguments. Nah, خدا I think he's good, man. He knows what he's saying. He knows very well the religion, the history. I'm telling you, I never saw someone speaking this deep religion and other stuff. No, not religion, sorry, history. He knows everything, man. He debates with history teachers, you know, and they just cannot speak with him.
You got a target rich.
His arguments are very strong. Wallah, he's good. Of course, in Turkey, we don't trust everyone. We don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. At the moment, I trust him. Tomorrow, I don't know. Ay lele wezn zanım vere Azdı khasım wezn zanım vere. But we need religious Kurds. We need not religious people. We need every type of Kurds. We cannot say I don't like this, I like this. No. We need every curse, man. Every curse. Bad curse, good curse. We need every curse. We need every curse, bruh. Please don't say, I don't like this Kurd. I don't like this one. I don't like that one, you know? We need everyone. Oh! Sayı kuruyor sayı. The opposite one knows that they have a country that backs them. Ali Chavin is not aware of that. Bravo, I don't know which one you have watched,
Guys on my position.
but whenever I watched, he is responding very well.
ISR rolling in.
Very أري خذ برا هكا. If we had an FF16, that would be enough. Everything would be fixed now. خذ مزنة برا خذ مزنة. إن شاء الله دي كرد آزاد بن. I'm already seeing that is coming, bro. Suriye ne başları, Irak ne başları, İran de baş bitin, Turkish de baş bitin, ve everything's going to be great. You will see. We just need to be united. We just need to be united. We cannot say we don't like Zazas, we don't like religions, we don't like imams, we don't like Hafiz Kurds. We need everyone, man. Every single of them. Let me create a loadout for me with M16 or what was the name of the weapon you have mentioned? It was Kurd. Berkhade Kurd. Before there was no Kurd, but now we have Kurd weapon as well. As the M416. I don't know if we have it here. We have this one. I think it is this one. Yeah. This is what you mean, right? Yeah, this is M4. Okay, we are building our weapon. 1 second. But it doesn't have a good mag for it. I think this is M4, man. Normally, in every game, it has this kind of look. Pro kesk soruzer ne kesk soruzer? I don't know what is this weapon, but it has so much recoil. La, la, la, la, la, la, la. No, I don't like this weapon, man. It doesn't look good. Let me see if I can find a different weapon. M4. Oh, it's gotta be this one. M4 17. Not 16, but 17. Maybe this is the weapon you're looking for. No? But the mag is a problem, mag. 25 bullets? No. This is not gonna be good. Oh yeah. Nah, but I don't have good assault rifle. This is what I have. I think it's a good weapon. And its name is Kurd. I'm sure this is the Kurdish name. Kurd. Let me search for it. نه اوه روس اوه زمانی روسیه کرد نجبر کردایه yani it doesn't mean anything in Kurdish. Gewoon hard yo. Yeah, yo. I think I'm gonna keep playing with the existing weapons. If we see on the ground, if we see M416 on the ground, we can pick it. Ez dixwazim ligel Kurdekî. I don't know if you understand my Kurdish. Ez dixwazim dezgirtiyek Kurdî, ne Kurdek, Kurdish woman. I missing a lot. I miss a lot Kurdish women. They are amazing, man. They are amazing.
It's go time. Gather intel and stay alert as new missions come in. I'm counting on you. All right, you're good to go for deployment. Post up. You got plenty to choose from. Pick a good landing area.
Maybe. Three kills. Three kills.
You've got some mission updates. Review them when you can.
Bra, Türkçe konuşmak istiyor musun Türkçe? Türkçe konuşmak istiyorsan eğer daha rahat edeceksen Türkçe konuşalım. Beautiful, man.
Mission available. Heads up. For new mission details.
Someone has a mission. He has to come. It's camping time, okay, bro? I'm not gonna kill this guy until he finishes this mission, so I will get his loot. But I think you could at least try, man. I mean, I know it is so annoying. I know it is annoying,
Keep your distance from
but
those
just for your future, you know.
stones marked.
Oh, he died. Maybe it's better for you to finish it, no? Don't you think?
Incoming strike in your vicinity. Move.
Area marked. Need support ASAP.
Roger that. Stand by. Check your missions.
They're gonna hunt me.
Intel indicates nearby hostile surveillance equipment. I'll tag.
FMP
you
over my
back.
position.
Roger that. Stand by.
It didn't work.
Looks like they're coming for you. Stay alert. You have a hostile jumping onto your position. Target down. Stay alert. They're gonna come after you. Hostile dropping at your location.
Run!
All objectives destroyed. Enemy won't have a track on you now.
Man, how many people were there? Chyba ciul wyjdzie. You like that, huh? Run, bitch! Oh! Motherfucker! Malati na chwary, sobie krosaj. Motherfucker! He's a sniper. I know you're there, man. I know it. Don't worry. Mother poker.
You are danger close to an airstrike. Clear out.
Reference grid. Need immediate fire support.
Understood. Triple firestorm is en route.
Eat that, bitch.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map. Listen, no more do-overs. This is for keeps. You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
Reposition. Move now. Contact. Enemy infantry.
You've got a new mission ready. Heads up. Your grid's about to be compromised by NXC.
Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map. Big win with that intel. Keep it up.
Brother, don't worry. I think I'm going to stop streaming in this channel. Maybe tomorrow or other days I will keep streaming in the other channel, my main channel.
All right, new mission is up. It's marked on your map.
So if you come and don't see me, it's because I'm gone. I'm not here. But I will keep streaming in the other channel.
Area marked. Need smoke now.
Take turn. On the way. Mission board is clear. Neutralize threats and stay in the fight. Nothing you can't handle.
Bruh, I think if you type like this, I think if you type like this, it's going to take me to my channel. I think you already have it. If I'm not wrong. I have a picture as well.
Half the fight's behind you. Time to step it up.
I think you already know that channel.
That blaze is closing in. You don't have long to get clear.
Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You didn't know that other channel? Bro, how did you know me then? The other channel is my main channel. I don't know how did we meet if you didn't know that channel? That's crazy. I'm really confused. I thought you had my other channel information as well. Goodbye. Really? And you still found me? Man, that's hilarious. I swear, it's hilarious. How did you find me, man? I remember someone from Alaza, but I didn't know it was you, you know? I swear.
Heads up. It's down to you and one last enemy. Make sure
Okay,
you
last
come out
team.
on top.
Target marked. Fire for effect.
You got it. Air support inbound.
GG's! Victory! Finally, man! GG's! Yoo-hoo! That's interesting. That is really interesting that you found me. Don't lose me now. Save the password and username of your channel, your account,
Didn't even know what hit 'em.
so you don't lose it, okay? Ah le gülüm gülüm gülüm gülüm gülüm gülüm ah 10k damage, 13 kills, crazy man. Yoo-hoo! Okay, bro. I'm going to stop streaming now. Maybe I will come back later, like maybe 1 or 2 hours later. Okay, I have something to do. And if you subscribe to my other channel, then we will keep contacted, and we can go on speaking. Goodbye.